swapping forks in midstream?
No, Daddy.
Does my fork taste better, or does your fork taste better?
This one.
That one? Is that mine or yours?
This one.
Okay, I bet yours tastes better too. You have a chocolate mustache. Did you know that? That means you're getting into your chocolate cake. You got some helpers down here? Oh, there's Big A. He's hoping for a bite. And little B. He's right there. Are you going to save me a bite, or are you going to eat it all? I think you might eat it all. Are you going to save me one little bite? Is that a no? Is it all about Jackson? Uh-oh. Good job. Do you like it? Is it yummy? Was that for the daddy? Thank you very much. That was very generous of you. What do you think, Poppy?
Oh, I think it's just wonderful, huh?
There you go. Look at that.
Daddy.
You're
Yes, sir?
relatively neat, too.
He is pretty neat and tidy.
I was going to save you a little piece for later.
You can have it. Go ahead. Thank you, sir. Wow. Just like your daddy. I like chocolate cake, too. That mustache looks familiar. You did. Should we give that to the dogs?
Yes.
Okay. Should we say goodbye to the camera?
Yes.
Okay. Say bye-bye.